Stairs now. Poop. Pause it. 10 minutes later. Okay. Feature. I'm back. You just spin around and stop it real quick, and then you quickly go up the stairs and then spin off there, and then he undoes it. It's fun.
Hey, we're at over there.
What's your YouTuber channel name? Wait, Bracken, what's your YouTube channel name?
I'll tell you after.
What, are you gonna put this on your YouTube channel? No.
Maybe.
Oh, I have an hour one on here. Yo, this is Brecken's YouTube channel. What? You never showed your face to the camera?
No, I have.
What's your YouTube channel name?
I'll tell you that after. Yeah. An hour or two.
Me too. Mine's like those little Mario ones where they do backflips, front flips, they jump off from house to house, they do barrel rolls, they stuff. I put special effects in it. So like one part I pretend to jump. I jumped into a pool, but I made it look like I jumped off the building. And then once I got into the pool, 20 minutes later I got all done, and then I got my hair all dried and stuff, and then I went like this onto the pool. That's how I ended it. That's right.
Be on my video. No. Make sure not.
There's more dirt stuff.
Yeah, you're right.
Hello guys. Today I am.
Bro, actually, what? Okay. I stopped the recording after I got the earphone. I stopped it. So I can add more. Like that. I took a little video of it. Whoa, the ocean. It's cute. Actually, what? This is a great thing of landscape. I already got a snake out of that. Are you taking videos of the...
No.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Did you see that man with the white top?